I want you to stick around because I will download to you the exact framework for growth as it has happened to us and the partners that we work with, including the friends that we work with. Some of them you actually are here behind the cameras, Fred and Butori, and I appreciate you guys. This is your transformation, that you'll be able to work on projects that you want to work with and that excite you. You will work with clients that value you, and that is extremely important. If a client does not value you, they will not value what you do. Then you have the ability to build a team. Then you will work enough hours and also rest. You will have predictable income. Usikuwe na feast and famine seasons. And you will see tangible growth, both financially and technically. Technically is the skill that you do. Financially is your pocket and your bank account. This is me on the bottom left in the year 2015. In the year 2024, that's me on my top right. The path that I took was my choice. The path that you take is your choice. It's you to decide how you want your life to be. The choices that you make, the decisions that you make. I was being told by a friend recently that I am an outcome of the past 7 decisions I have made. The decisions that you have made are the ones that make you who you are. And even in business, that's so. There are people who saw this training, they decide not to come, is their choice. There are people who have seen it and you are here, it's your choice. Now, this, however, is not for everybody. And I want, by the way, to be very blunt on this one. If you are okay struggling to make ends meet, yani uko tu sawa kuwa broke, this is not for you. If you don't see value in investing in yourself, and even I will add in your business, this is not for you, because whatever you're going to see here needs a lot of work and input for you to be able to get outcome. It's not a quick fix thing. If you think that more clients equals more money, if that's what you think, then this is not for you, because the truth is you don't need more clients to make more money. You just need to have one client who has an extremely wealthy lifetime value. If you're a beginner who is not serious about building your business, this is not for you. If you are earning more, if you think that earning more money is being greedy, if you think earning more money is being greedy, this is not for you. And if you think there's a quick fix, what we call the power puff chemical mix, umepata solutions, this is not for you, because work is needed here. But again, if you feel overworked, if you feel that you are always having low-paying clients, if you feel that you are not earning more and some people are earning more but you are wondering how, if you feel that you are trapped by having low-paying clients all the time, if you feel that you are stuck in feast or famine, and if you feel that you are working 10 times harder to get more money, then you have to listen to this clearly. So I want us to get started, and we'll start with the mentality of value.